Okay, I have this Bedrock knowledge base I have indexed, right, with a large amount of data. Okay, and that I have also uploaded a ground truth file of 50 questions and answers. I want every different combination with different prompt options, right? I can have a 0-shot prompt, 1-shot, 2-shot, 3-shot prompt, and I attach my prompt file as well. And then I have this system prompt, right? And I have selected 4 different models, right? Now remember, these could be caching models, routing models, it could be with guardrails, without guardrails, different options I have selected here. From my FloTorch registry, I have selected 2 different options for nearest neighbor. So when the vector database retrieves, I want top 3 chunks or top 5 chunks. I'm using Ragus for my evaluation, and I would like model 1, which is not being used here to test, right? So you don't want to double dip. You don't want to use evaluation model same as the retrieval model, right? That is doing inference. So retrieval models are this model 5, 6, 7, 8, but my evaluation is being done with a larger model. In this case, I'm just naming it model 1, and my queries would be embedded with Titan embedding from Bedrock. I could use something else as well. These are choices I have, right? So you can go through these, right? You can select multiple prompts, options for, you can select your knowledge base that you want to select from, or kind of just test it out of the box without knowledge base. You can use multiple KNN options, like I said, and you can choose your model to evaluate with Ragus. If you are not familiar with Ragus and DeepEval are 2 standard libraries for LLM evaluation. There are multiple ones actually, but these 2 are pretty commonly used, and they are focused on context precision, context recall, right? And then there is maliciousness and all that. Depending on your use case, you can use specific ones, but context precision and recall are very commonly used, right? So we are going to do the same thing. We are going to use Ragus for context precision and recall. So you'll get results of multiple experiments. So if you see the number of combinations could be very well 30, 40 different combinations. In FloTorch, if you set it up like this and say create project, it will actually run these 30, 40 experiments for you using the models you registered with the combinations, and we'll do the evaluation with the ground truth file that you provided and report everything on the dashboard like this, right? And it will tell you what the expected cost is. That's called directional cost. It will tell you how much time it took and the corresponding precision and recall. Answer relevancy is how relevant the answer is. So that's the most important metric in this particular case. So I sorted this table by answer relevancy. You'll notice one thing, right? That inferencing model is same, model 7, right? But it has different context precision and answer relevancy as well as duration, right?